So Smaug then goes to Ravage Lake Town while we get free run of his place, right?
Yep, so this is technically the chapter not at home, although it's presented as part of inside information. And unlike in the book, where they just sat there and partied about their treasure for a long time, in this, the dwarves have a little bit better sense. Kind of. Because, talk to them.
We must leave this place before the dragon returns. Get us across that chasm, Bilbo.
If you talk to all the dwarves, they actually all say something different.
Bilbo, I've heard tales of a giant golden serving dish. If you find it, please bring it to me, huh?
Bilbo, if you find the spears of King Bledorfin, please recover them.
The necklace of Kirion is in that stronghold, Bilbo. If you find
So
it,
basically,
bring it
just
back to
collecting
me.
stuff.
Well,
There is a giant ruby down there that belonged to my father, Ronnie. If you see it...
Hello, my name's Groin. My
Well-
parents had a weird sense of humor. They wanted to name me for where yeah.
This hall stinks of dragon. We should away, Bilbo. Now.
Find us a way out of here, Bilbo. I dislike this dragon's den.
For this, our city was destroyed and our kinsmen killed. That dragon is pure evil.
Those coins are huge.
No songs are true.
and stretch.
Erebor is indeed beautiful.
Anyway, I'll be right back. Technically, you don't have to find all the stuff that they ask you for. It's just bonus points.
Tales of the wealth of Erebor.
You know, bonus courage points that you
never
don't need at this
imagined.
point. It's just their way of, sneaking in a bunch of extra side quests before the end. Really, the only place you have to go is down to get them across the chasm.
So you gotta go down?
Yep, have fun figuring that puzzle out. I timed this very well. See you later.
Bazoo. Oh, I'm dead. Already. Okay. Oh wait, I need all the quests. Oh, whatever. Forget it. Oh,
Oh,
this sucks. However, I will never give up. Do you know what this dwarf says to that? Ish kakui. Aidrogua. Look it up, guys. It's actually a quote from Lord of the Rings, said by Gimli. Is in fact dwarvish for a hideous swear. And these are bags of money. Yes, they are. Oh, yeah. Do 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 do. That's weird. Alright, keep going. From all the blue last time. Well, that was certainly nice. I don't know what that. Alright, I'm trying to get down now. I should go to the lowest spot. Unless unwanted. Right. Alright, more of that. Oh, terrible momentum. Oh. I lost all the money that was up there. Yeah, call me klepto or whatever, but I kind of want money.
Mint chocolate cookies. That's not a bad idea.
Uh-huh.
How's it coming?
I think I know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay. What are you supposed to do?
Get to the bottom
Hmm.
without dying.
Mm-hmm. Was the giant cello case your first clue?
Giant cello case?
Giant cello case, yep. That. I still don't know what that's supposed to be. When I was younger, I thought it was a piano. Now I think it's a cello case. But, yeah. That. Stick. Stick jumping. Don't risk it, man. Stick jumping. Hiya! Good. I think you went down the wrong way, so how you actually are going to get down is beyond me. Have fun. Aim for that road.
I think I did that last. Yeah, I already did that, and I didn't have enough momentum to catch it.
You're kidding. From here? Stick
Yeah.
jumping?
Yeah.
It should be fine.
That's what I did last, though.
No, you ain't stick on it. Because if you don't have enough momentum, you'll just grab onto the ledge underneath and lose around half your health. I played this too many times.
Excuse me, I'm getting the money I left. I'm a mercenary.
But this is fine. You won't be able to get it later.
Wait, no, that's how we got down here.
That's how you get out. This is going to be interesting. Okay. You're fine. Now people are going down. What would you call that thing right next to you?
This?
Yeah.
It looks like planks. Like a giant door.
Oh! Oh! Makes sense. Go ahead and talk. It's fine.
Alright, so I gotta move this over here and I'll raise the water, right?
Yep.
Great. And then, how do I get out?
side of it.
The other side?
Yeah, so you're closer. You just run back. That didn't do it.
Naturally.
Now go. Stick it.
Over this way?
Follow blue. And it's gonna keep rising. Until you get to that right there. Yes, they're actually doing this. I always thought this was the dumbest idea. Although it's a nice way to actually make a platforming challenge in this level so that you don't feel gypped like all the levels just became fighting and or stealth. Jump, jump. Yeah. Keep going. You're doing good. Jump it. Stick it. Told you, we should make bopping a playthrough. Okay, now the water's gonna stop rising when it gets there.
Because of that thing.
Yep.
So, should I just put it on it now?
Yes, get a head start on the water. Because the water's gonna keep rising. But if you can get ahead of it, even by an inch, that's another inch you have on it. And it stopped rising.
I didn't cover it up sufficiently, did I?
Right. You can always tell because it'll actually it'll cut to a quick loading screen first, and then you'll be able to actually see. I've never gotten music during this section. I don't know what you did, but I seriously have never gotten music in this section. So you did something right there. Just jump it. Closer to the edge, Miner. You can do it.
I don't like water, do I?
I'm hydrophobic, so I can feel you. Especially in games. Underwater levels kind of freak me out at times. Well, that was interesting. And jump. Good. Lock it into place, so you got plenty of time.
Come on.
And once it's on there, wiggle it around a bit until you find the right spot. Good, keep going. Gotta do this all in one shot if I'm not mistaken.
Over there, stick jump.
Yep. You didn't actually have to sit jump that. Oh wait, there's a save pedestal after that. So apparently you go 3 blocks, save, 3 more blocks, save, and you're out. Have fun! This music isn't very fitting. I kind of like the silence here, but I would have loved some music when you're actually running from Smaug. And one reason is to just chalk this game up as an unfinished or poorly designed whatever.
Stick or no?
No, no need.
Stick or no over here?
No need. Just run forward. You got to save first, then push. Otherwise, you might get locked in another dead game. I wouldn't want that. In fact, since this area hasn't been known to glitch out, never mind. Now, once you move this one into place, you got a platform.
Over there?
Yep. Rising.
Stick or no?
Stick it. Alright, you're almost there. You're doing good. I think you actually pushed all the blocks in. Now it's just a matter of racing the water off.
Ooh.
Well, you saved!
Come on.
Gotta stand still in front of it, facing it.
Strength check. Come on, up. I don't like this.
Okay, here we go. Actually, that kind of sounded like Sid from Toy Store here. I'm gonna ride the pony. Yard. Good.
Up here.
To the left, other way. Yes. Okay, you're doing good. This is the last block, and then you need to platform your way up high enough that you can jump on the piano. That thing that floats better.
This is a door.
But I mean, it just why is it going by?
It's a great gate. Door.
Run. This is the most difficult one of all. It's good that you got the silver pennies before, so that now you don't have to worry about it. Can I also just point out that if Bilbo is, still worried about collecting silver pennies at this point, why doesn't the vendor give him anything for all the gold he could pick up? Get on that vine. Get on the next one up. Go ahead and jump. Good. Oh, it was that bad programming again. Ah. You're doing fine. You gonna push?
It's not.
What was that? That was, I call it Aquaman's rousing song of heroism.
You don't look roused.
Anyway, keep going. Okay, you see the piano, the door, whatever. The one complaint I have about this is that the waterfall graphic underwater is still just a waterfall. So when you get a chance, turn around and actually take a gander at that because it looks really silly.
Is this good enough?
Yeah, that should be fine. You see the water? Whoa. Oh, you meant to jump. Oh. No, that wasn't good to jump.
Why?
Because it's too low. That's the right spot you want to be in order to be able to jump, but you need to wait until the thing's like right next to you. The one penalty for getting ahead. Something's telling you that this is stressing you out more than the encounter with Smaug was. So while you're waiting, why don't you turn the camera a bit and see that glorious Underwaterfall. Isn't that amazing?
Cool.
Amazingly bad. Anyway.
Alright, so is this the vine I need to be on?
Yes, but don't jump yet. In fact, get lower. Jump when it's pretty much level with the vine.
Like now?
No.
Like now?
Yeah. Okay, good. You're done. Have fun. Well, I thought the Great Gate was made out of stone, not disappearing wood. Well done, Miner. You've completed all but 2 levels. Well, assuming this is where you want to end it anyway. Technically, you could go searching for the stuff that they learned, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Just drowned him out.
So what stops the water from filling the entire cavern. I guess that you're at the top of the waterfall now, but not too convenient. Like this way. Yep. Oh wait, before you go in, where's your Dr. Thorn?
Good work, Bilbo. Follow me into the dwarf city of Erebor.
Now then. Can't believe you got that one track to get stuck playing the whole time. And yeah, there's 4,000 silver pennies in this particular stage. Kleptomania, You've got plenty to survive, so whatever you think you need, go right ahead and buy. In fact, you could buy everything else that you would need, and you'd be fine. Like everything you could possibly buy, go ahead and buy. This is really the last time it's going to mean anything anyway. The last stage is a joke, because you're not going to need anything for that.
It was a quiet night in Lake Town when Bard noticed a golden light in the distance. His men thought gold was flowing from the mountain, but Bard knew it was dragon fire. Arrows splintered against the dragon's scales. The townspeople fled. As Bard knocked the black arrow, the thrush whispered to him and told him what Bilbo saw.
Black arrow. Go now and speed well.
Three days later, the ancient raven Ro'ok told the dwarves Smaug was dead, and that the men and wood elves were sending armies to claim a share of the treasure. Thorin sent Ro'ok north to his cousin Dain. He called for an army of dwarves to make war on the men and elves.
Here you are, Bilbo. The first payment of your reward. A mithril vest. A powerful object forged for an elf prince long ago. No less than you deserve for your help in this quest. And now I have a very important task for you. The Arkenstone, the heart of the mountain, is locked in the treasury. Find a way into the treasury and bring me that stone. You will need to open those doors first. Talk to Oin and see what help you can give him. I would trade all the riches in these halls for that one jewel, Mr. Baggins. Bring me the Arkenstone.